Today our topic is how to deal with rejection like a Stoic. Rejection is something everyone faces in life, no matter who you are or what you do. It could be rejection from a job, a relationship, a friend, or even an idea you shared. The truth is, rejection hurts. It can make you feel like you are not good enough, like you failed, or like the world is against you. But the good news is, rejection does not have to control you. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, teaches us how to handle rejection and other challenges in life with calm and strength. Stoicism is not about ignoring your feelings or pretending everything is fine. It is about understanding what you can control, accepting what you cannot, and focusing on your own actions and thoughts. Let's talk about how you can use Stoic principles to deal with rejection. First, let's understand what Stoicism is. Stoicism is a philosophy that started in ancient Greece and was later practiced by Romans like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. The main idea of Stoicism is that we cannot control everything that happens to us, but we can control how we react to it. Life will throw challenges at us like rejection, but we have the power to choose how we respond. Stoics believe that our emotions, like sadness or anger, come from our own thoughts and judgments, not from the events themselves. This means that if we change how we think about rejection, we can change how it affects us. Now, let's apply Stoic principles to rejection. The first step is to accept that rejection is a normal part of life. No one gets everything they want all the time. Even the most successful people have faced rejection. Think about famous authors, actors, or entrepreneurs. Many of them were rejected hundreds of times before they succeeded. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by many publishers before her book was accepted. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before he invented the light bulb. Rejection does not mean you are not good enough. It just means you are trying. Stoics would say that rejection is not something to fear or avoid. It is an opportunity to learn and grow. The second step is to focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches that there are two types of things in life: things we can control and things we cannot. We cannot control other people's opinions, decisions, or actions. If someone rejects you, that is their choice, and you cannot change it. But you can control how you respond. You can choose to stay calm, to learn from the experience, and to keep moving forward. For example, if you apply for a job and don't get it, you cannot control the employer's decision. But you can control how you react. You can ask for feedback, improve your skills, and apply for other jobs. By focusing on what you can control, you take back your power and reduce the pain of rejection. The third step is to practice self-reflection. Stoics believe in looking inward and examining your own thoughts and actions. When you face rejection, ask yourself, why does this hurt me? Is it because I tied my self-worth to this outcome? Am I blaming others or myself unfairly? Self-reflection helps you understand your emotions and see rejection in a different light. For example, if someone rejects your idea at work, instead of feeling angry or defeated, ask yourself, did I communicate my idea clearly? Can I improve it? What can I learn from this experience? By reflecting on your own actions, you turn rejection into a chance for growth. The fourth step is to detach your self-worth from external outcomes. This is one of the hardest but most important Stoic principles. Many people tie their self-worth to things like success, approval, or recognition. If they get rejected, they feel like they have no value. But Stoics believe that your worth does not come from external things. It comes from your character, your actions, and your ability to live with virtue. You are not defined by your job, your relationships, or your achievements. You are defined by how you treat others, how you handle challenges, and how you stay true to your values. When you detach your self-worth from external outcomes, rejection becomes less painful. It is just a part of life, not a judgment of who you are. The fifth step is to practice gratitude. Stoics believe that gratitude is a powerful tool for finding peace and happiness. When you face rejection, it is easy to focus on what you lost or what you didn't get. But gratitude helps you see what you still have. For example, if you are rejected by a romantic partner, instead of focusing on the pain, think about the other people in your life who care about you. Think about your strengths, your talents, and your opportunities. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is missing to what is present. It reminds you that rejection is just one part of your life, not the whole story. The sixth step is to embrace the idea of impermanence. Stoics believe that everything in life is temporary, including rejection. The pain you feel today will not last forever. Time heals wounds and new opportunities will come. When you face rejection, remind yourself that this is just a moment in your life. It is not the end. Think about past rejections you have faced and how you overcame them. You are stronger than you think, and you will get through this too. By accepting the temporary nature of rejection, you can face it with more courage and less fear. Finally, the seventh step is to keep practicing. Stoicism is not something you learn overnight. It is a way of life that requires practice and patience. Dealing with rejection like a Stoic means applying these principles every day, even when it is hard. It means reminding yourself that rejection is not the end of the world, that you can control your reactions, and that you have the power to grow from every experience. The more you practice Stoicism, the easier it becomes to handle rejection and other challenges in life. In conclusion, rejection is a part of life, but it does not have to control you. Stoicism teaches us to accept what we cannot control, focus on what we can, and find strength in our own actions and thoughts. By practicing self-reflection, detaching our self-worth from external outcomes, practicing gratitude, embracing impermanence, and staying committed to growth, we can deal with rejection like a Stoic. Remember, rejection is not a reflection of your worth. It is just a step on your journey. With the right mindset, you can turn rejection into an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. So the next time you face rejection, take a deep breath, remind yourself of these Stoic principles, and keep moving forward. You have the power to handle anything life throws at you.